everyone, it's ParisLaGoddess, and I'm here about to do a tutorial upon my hair crimping with a flat iron. Now I don't have a crimping iron and I don't feel like I should buy one to just crimp my hair when I could definitely just use my flat iron. So that's what I'm going to do today is flat iron my hair with crimp my hair with a flat iron. And as you can see right now, my hair is straight. It's like a straight kind of curly thing, but I'm gonna crimp it. I just felt like it was in the mood. The outside it feels really nice. It'd be good to have a little, you know, flowy curls going on, kind of like a Natalie Nunn kind of weave or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys what to use. First thing we'll need is a wrapping brush. It's my favorite wrapping brush. I actually use it all the time. This is just to take the tangles out before you crimp your hair. Then you need a flat iron, of course, because this is what we're doing, is using the techniques with the flat iron. And then what I use is the olive oil. I use this just to give it, to make my hair look more alive and more, you know, exciting. So what we're going to do first is take pieces. Now my best advice, really, what I do is I take the bottom part and I start a little bigger with the bottom. Let's put this up. Yes. So I start bigger with the bottom, as in pieces. So we'll take about this much here. And that's a pretty good amount piece. We'll brush. That's for all the tangles to get out. And then I'll put some spray. Now you can use any type of ocean spray. I just use olive oil because it's really good. It's good for your roots and to make your hair more healthier. So we sprayed some. Now it depends on you where you want to take the flat iron up to. Whether you want to start at the top. Actually, I'm going to start right here, not the top, but close to it. And what we're going to do is press on, go under, over, under, over, under, over. And for the last strand of hair you have, you always want to go under. That way the hair is out like that. And there you have a crimp right here. It's like a wavy flow. Okay. And the reason why I always do more bigger pieces in the back is because since it's on the bottom, you can always spread it out to make it'll come out to equal more. So do this. Under, over, under, over, and then you get the little crimp going on. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm at the middle part, and this is my tip for the middle part. Now, as you can see when we were doing the back, we were getting bigger pieces. And we had the bigger pieces, that way we'll look a little bit more longer, a little bit more wavy. But now that we're going to come to the middle, which I'm at in my hair, as you can see, this is a pretty big piece. So what we're going to do is split this big piece. We want to do a little bit smaller pieces, at least this big. Okay? And the reason why we're going to do this small piece is because when you do it smaller in the middle, and then it all comes out, it tends to be a little bit more fuller. So we'll go under, over, under. Okay? And it tends to come out a little bit more, it's smaller, but when you spread it out, it'll come out even more than the bigger ones would. You understand what I'm saying? So we're going to do it for this one. This one in the back right here. Okay. And let's brush. Spray. And go under. Over. Under. For some reason, I don't know why, but I have Pretty Girl Rock in my head. And I'm not really that much of a big Carrie Hilton fan, but definitely have that song in my head. Here comes the crimp. It's coming out actually real nice. You can see this side is more curly. I'm mostly focusing on this side. I so remember one time I used to talk to this one guy, and I always wore my hair straight. And I think it was Christina Milian or somebody, maybe Lauren London. We was looking in the magazine, and they had like curly hair. So, you know, he was definitely like, oh, you should curl your hair like that, you should curl your hair like that. And I was like, no, I'm really not going to curl my hair because, look, I like the straight hair, and it's good for the weather. Are you going to be curling your hair every day? I don't think so. So, like, we stopped talking, and next thing you know, I see got the wrong one here. And he's with the girl with curly hair, just like Christina Milian. Or Normandy, whichever one we was looking at in the magazine. And I see him, I was like, oh, so you went for the curly girls. That's cute. I wonder what he's going to say after I put a picture up of me on Facebook with my hair crimped. Probably going to be like, oh, so now you got that crimpy hair. Oh, well. And he'll like my status of me crimping my hair, like my picture. What a freaking loser. Boys are such losers, I swear. L-O-S-E-R. Broken and I don't know what to say. Virgin. Ooh. Touched for the very first time. If it was hot in Florida, I definitely would have been wearing this outfit with my crimp hair going to the beach. But it's I've never felt this way from hot. Actually getting closer to the top. And as you can see, sorry, not in the top real quick. I got a little bit closer to the root, okay, and a little bit more under near it because it is closer to the top, and we want to do tighter crimps. Pretty. Okay, and we just had the top, like I said, we had just this top part left. Then we almost done, then we almost done, then we almost done. Let's brush it out. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. I don't know, I'm so full of energy today. So full of energy. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's just pretty outside. Why not be excited about outside today? We're almost done, by the way. We're almost done. We have a few more. Just the top part to get done. Top part is the most important of crimping and finding your hair because it's the first thing like that's visual that anybody's really even gonna see. So we have this top part. Okay, and as you can see, I have a middle part. I love middle parts. Actually, I believe that for a while now, middle side parts was ruling. And now, as you can see, a lot of celebrities wear middle parts. The Kardashian sisters and Sierra. A lot of people are starting to wear middle parts. And when you do the front, depends on the side is how the size of it is. You want to do less crimps in the front as well. See? So you want to do lesser crimps. Hey guys, and there we have it. My hair is done. It's crimped. It's like a looser crimp. Here's the back, so you can see the side, and this is the next side. As you can see, crimp the top. You see the crimps on the top, back. Okay, and I just love it. Honestly, I love it. It's like a looser curl. It's like a looser crimp kind of ish, and it's very movable. I love it. It's really jumpy, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. You want to put a little bit of hairspray in there. Hairspray. Okay, as you can see, it's fine. What I would tell you guys to do to make it look even bigger, more poofier if you want to, is spread it out. Like I told you guys what to do. With the middle part, you make it lesser. So instead of spreading it out in the front, you can go to the middle part, just go like, or go in the middle, and just start spreading it out. Kind of like you're combing it out, but you're just spreading it out. Because if you look at some of these, like this is a big piece, look how much you can spread out. Okay? Just spread it out. And it might look a little wild and crazy, but that's what we're going for. Wild and crazy is the new thing, right? So spread it out. Spread, spread, spread. Spread, spread, spread. And just spread it out. Spread it out. Kind of have that great, that Shaka Khan look. Okay. And this is the crimpiness of the hair, and it looks great. I love it actually. About to go out with it, with this outfit on. May not be going to the beach, but guess what? I will be picking up somebody. So yes, guys, like I said, all you guys need is the wrapping brush, the flat iron, and you can use any size flat iron. Actually, when you do a bigger flat iron like mine, it will come out a little bit with bigger waves than with a smaller flat iron, it will come out with looser. So either way it will work, it'll still look fun. And get yourself some oil sheen. I use olive oil. Get yourself some oil sheen. It's great. And just spray it, and your hair will look brand new. I love my hair, it looks great. And now I'm about to go outside, rock it. When people ask me, they're like, oh, I use that flat iron, not a crimping iron. I use that flat iron. And you never know, they might just want to take a tip. So thanks everybody for tuning into this video. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be able to assist you. Anything about crimping the hair, just let me know. Write me. And remember to subscribe, show your friends. And I enjoyed doing this video for anybody who needed it. ParisLaGoddess is out. See you later.